We are Express, the combination of anonymous social media application and a public social media application. As you can see, this is the anonymous section where the user's profile is anonymous. That is why the name of the user and the profile name and the profile pic is anonymous. These are the details and these are the posts of the user. Let's go to the home page. Here you will see the anonymous feed of our application. These are the multiple posts that have been posted by our users. They are political, they are personal. People are speaking out what they can't on other social media platforms. In order to add the post, you just have to add whatever you want to select the emotion and post. That's it. Your post has been posted. Whatever you want to say, whatever you want to express, you can express. Then let's see the trending post. In trending posts, the top trending post will be displayed according to the views or likes or comments. Now let's head on to the trending topics. In trending topics, what you see are the top trending topics, whatever the current scenarios are, and you can just post your views on them. Now we will head on to the next section, which is the public section, the blogging section. In this, you will see multiple bloggers. Even anyone can blog. If you want to write something, you can just go ahead and write. The reason is, here you are public. These are the blogs. We have just updated this section, so we will be designing it better. Let me show you the template. We have 4 templates at the moment since we have just updated it. As you can see, these are the multiple templates that we have. The blogger can write whatever they want, whatever their thoughts are, and this section is public. We will be updating it with better designs in a few days. The next section is the creative section, in which the pics, the cartoons will be uploaded. These are the profiles of the users who are posting it, and these are the cartoons that they have posted with a specific character set caption. In this, you can also chat with anonymous users, and if you want to share their details, you can do that too. As you can see, you can chat anonymously. So this is our platform Express, a combination of anonymous and a public platform in which you have the full freedom of speech. Thank you.